Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Atlanta Hawks ang New Orleans Pelicans 124-112. Top performer of the game si Trae Young sa likod ng kanyang 12 points, 8 rebounds, 15 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan naman ng Boston Celtics ang Miami Heat 108-89. Top performer of the game si Jaylen Brown sa likod ng kanyang 29 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan din ng Miami Heat ang Brooklyn Nets 128-102. Top performer of the game si Nikola Vucevic sa likod ng kanyang 21 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan din ng Minnesota Timberwolves ang Los Angeles Lakers 109-80. Top performer of the game si Julius Randle sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of December 3, 2024. Cleveland Cavaliers 18 wins, 3 losses. Boston Celtics 17 wins, 4 losses. Orlando Magic 15 wins, 7 losses. New York Knicks 12 wins, 8 losses. Atlanta Hawks 11 wins, 11 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 10 wins, 9 losses. Miami Heat 9 wins, 10 losses. Indiana Pacers 9 wins, 12 losses. Chicago Bulls 9 wins, 13 losses. Detroit Pistons 9 wins, 13 losses. Brooklyn Nets 9 wins, 13 losses. Charlotte Hornets 6 wins, 14 losses. Toronto Raptors 6 wins, 15 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 4 wins, 14 losses. Washington Wizards 2 wins, 16 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of December 3, 2024. Oklahoma City Thunder 15 wins, 5 losses. Houston Rockets 15 wins, 6 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 14 wins, 7 losses. Dallas Mavericks 13 wins, 8 losses. Los Angeles Clippers 13 wins, 9 losses. Golden State Warriors 12 wins, 7 losses. Los Angeles Lakers 12 wins, 9 losses. Phoenix Suns 11 wins, 8 losses. San Antonio Spurs 11 wins, 9 losses. Denver Nuggets 10 wins, 8 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 10 wins, 10 losses. Sacramento Kings 9 wins, 12 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 8 wins, 13 losses. Utah Jazz 4 wins, 16 losses. New Orleans Pelicans 4 wins, 18 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ng NBA Cup ngayong December 4, 2024. Maglalaban ng Philadelphia 76ers at Charlotte Hornets 8 AM Philippine Time. Maglalaban din ang Washington Wizards at Cleveland Cavaliers 8 AM Philippine Time. Maghaharap naman ang Milwaukee Bucks at Detroit Pistons 8 AM Philippine Time. Maghaharap din ang Orlando Magic at New York Knicks 8:30 AM Philippine Time. Kakalabanin naman ng Indiana Pacers ang Toronto Raptors 8:30 AM Philippine Time. Magtutuos naman ang Utah Jazz at Oklahoma City Thunder 9 AM Philippine Time. Maglalaban naman ang Memphis Grizzlies at Dallas Mavericks 9:30 AM Philippine Time. Kakaharapin naman ng San Antonio Spurs ang Phoenix Suns 10 AM Philippine Time. Kakalabanin din ng Golden State Warriors ang Denver Nuggets 11 AM Philippine Time. Maglalaban naman ng Houston Rockets at Sacramento Kings 11 AM Philippine Time. Kakalabanin naman ng Portland Trail Blazers ang Los Angeles Clippers 11:30 AM Philippine Time. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.